Welcome to WWOP TV. If you enjoy the content, hit the like button, subscribe button, and notification bell.
Now, help me understand this. The Republicans are saying Donald Trump cannot be impeached because he's no longer the president. And that makes it unconstitutional. So, let's say we go with that bullshit you're kicking it. That means a president in the last 2 days of his administration can do anything the fuck he wants to do. You already can't get him criminal because you cannot indict a sitting president. So we couldn't indict him when he broke the law because he was a sitting president. Now you say, after he sick them crazy white people in there to kill everybody, he can't be impeached no more because he's no longer the president. So I thought you said no one is above the law. I'll wait.